This is an assembly video for MSB-H018-00. The first thing you're going to do is take MSB-H011-00, which is this part. And first thing you do is take 4 magnets, and I like to use a steel rod. This is a 1/4 inch steel rod. It works really good. And you stuff these in the 4 magnet holes, and they have little snap things, and you make sure it seats all the way in. Do this 4 times in the 4 holes designated for magnets. Next thing you'll do is get 6 springs, MSB-H008-03. Make sure they're the -03 version. You'll take these and you'll stuff them in these 6 spring cavities. Push them all the way in, and you kind of want to make sure they're not angled. These ones are not. They're all pretty straight up and down. And then what you'll do is you'll make note of this tab and take a sticker, MSB H019-00.
Which tab are we talking about?
You notice that this side is bigger than this side. This will be facing up. You take one of these stickers, put it right up against this little hook, and try to keep it straight, not crooked like this, but straight, and lay it down just like that. Okay. One thing to notice is these stickers should not go like this. They have a long direction. It's longer this way and shorter this way. It's not perfectly square. So make sure it doesn't go like this. It should go like this. So it lays a long ways along there, and there's no overhang. The sticker does not hang over the plastic. Now the next thing, after you've come to this point, make sure the magnets are in and the springs are in. Then you take this part, which is MSB-012-01. Take this part, and you'll make sure that these fins and the longer tab are on the same side. You take these and you put them together like this, and then you'll make sure that it clicks, click, and now this is the completed part.